We stand here today not just as the daughters of Sindh, but as the witnesses to the darkness that has just refused to lift. For too long, the soil of our motherland has been stained with the blood and tears of our sisters. From the abductions of young girls to the brutal honor killing and the systematic harassment that has haunted the streets of Sindh, the violence against Sindhi women has reached a breaking point. Today, we do not just call upon our oppressors, we call upon our allies. We call upon every political party that claims to care for the future of Sindh. We call upon the civil society, we call upon the teachers, we call upon the lawyers, and also we call upon our elders.